Hello, I'm Nancy Zoder, Vice President of HCM Cloud Product Strategy. I'm excited to share with you our latest investments in global HR. Oracle continues to demonstrate our commitment to support worker and organization optimization for your modern workforce. Update 19D provides configuration support to ensure compliance, from simple to the most complex of HR business process rules. These investments were made to support organizations with unique business rules in complex, highly regulated industries and geographies with easy-to-use solutions. Today, I will highlight some of our key investments in 19D. First, the end user's experience, as well as a security enhancement for OTBI, partner support, and finally, global support. As with every update, we focus on optimizing the end user's experience. With this, we're looking beyond the pages a user interacts with to the personalized business rules in order to simplify the end user's experience. Update 19D provides mobile responsive support of our global HR processes, employment, managed locations, and managed jobs. This enables the user to access administrative functions on their device of choice. In addition, we continue to expand the flexibility of our rules configuration to simplify the end user experience. 19D provides the support of defaulting rules to ensure the end user is provided with direction based on your HR rules. 19D also provides the support of defaulting rules using our Design Studio. Design Studio provides you with the ability to support your business rules necessary to support process direction, as well as data selection direction needed to ensure accuracy and minimize errors. There are many additions in OTBI in this update, including an enhancement to security. We've provided a new security subject area which will enable you to more easily report on security setup. This new subject area includes roles, inherited by roles, data security policies, function security policies, as well as user setup details. This new subject area also includes a variety of metrics such as number of roles and users. With this enhancement, we provide this dashboard to support an overview of the roles and role categories. Next, we continue to support and expand our partner network in 19D. Our latest investment enables organizations to manage I-9s directly in HireRight, and this new task type can be used to verify employment eligibility. We've also invested in our partnership with ADP. This provides customers with a delivered payroll integration to ADP so customers can manage their global payroll data directly in HCM Cloud. Workers can manage the self-service task to directly manage their payroll data, and the payroll administrator can also access the global payroll local data. This allows the end user to manage their data with a single experience. Finally, I'll highlight enhancements for global support. We're excited to share the support of localization rules using our Experience Design Studio framework. With this, we continue to expand the support of local rules by simplifying the end user's experience, leveraging autocomplete. This enhancement will provide the end user with localization rules and autocomplete to minimize data entry and errors. In addition to the user experience enhancements, we introduced new processes to support requirements for Germany and the United States for self-identification or disclosure. For Germany, we enable workers to self-disclose their disability status. And in the United States, we provide the two-question format to self-identify ethnicity. We're also very excited to introduce a new security feature, data disposal. With unique global requirements for data management such as GDPR and other data privacy regulations, we provide the ability to configure organizational needs to manage data disposal rules and processes. We provide recommendations based on the regulations and provide you with the ability to add data management rules based on your organization's unique requirements. Organizations around the world and in every industry continue to focus on the importance of data management. As part of this data management initiative, data disposal is critical to ensure data privacy compliance. Oracle HCM Cloud provides organizations with the ability to effectively and easily manage the rules for different countries and products to ensure global compliance. As you can see, our strategic investments in our latest update are focused on our customers' experience in the cloud. Please check out the other Spotlight videos for more on Oracle HCM Cloud. There are many other new features introduced in 19D, so please check out our What's New documentation and other resources at oracle.com/readiness. Thanks for watching.